guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tarikaremba. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. So as you can see from the title and from this beautiful hair sweetie, today I'm going to be showing you how you can do your own butterfly locks at home. And y'all can see how neat this came out. Okay, like look at this. I am a beginner. This was my first time doing butterfly locks, and this was my second time doing braids. The first time was when I did the passion twists. I'm gonna link the video here so you can check it out. But yeah, this is my second time doing my own braids, and this is the first time doing butterfly locks. So that just goes to show how easy this was for me to create. In this video, you'll see that I used hair from Darling. So obviously when you're watching all these American ladies doing their hair, they talk about all these different products that we don't have access to here. But obviously your girl put her thinking cap on when Darling released the passion twist. When I saw that this passion twist hair looks like the free trace water wave hair that people use to achieve this look, so I was like, okay, let me do this too. So basically I used the Darling Jozi Lite dread and I used the Darling passion twist hair. So you'll see all the details in the video. I used 2 packets of the Jozi dread, which was what I crocheted onto my head as the first step. And then of course the hair that I used to wrap was the passion twist hair, and for that I also used 2 packets. But I would recommend, if you can get more passion twist hair, try to get 3 packets. I couldn't find anything online and in store here in Port Elizabeth, so I just had to be frugal and make it work. But we're here now, so I guess it worked. So yeah, 2 packets of the Jozi Lite dread and 3 packets of the passion twist hair is gonna be perfect for you. Anyway, let's not keep talking, let's get into the video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Road to 1K, please get me there by the end of September, guys, please. Anyway, let's get into it. So I'm going to be using the rubber band method, and of course you guys know the drill if you already watched my passion twist hair video. If you haven't already, I'm going to link it here, please check it out. So basically I'm going to put some rubber bands in my hair, and I'm going to use the Got to Be Glued waterproof styling gel to hold my hair together with these rubber bands. Yeah, I got my rubber bands from Discam this time. The first thing I'm going to do is actually just get my edges out of the way. I will style them when I'm done. For now, I'm just going to brush them forward so that they're not in my way. So to make sure that the rubber bands don't break my hair, I'm going to apply some black castor oil on my hair, on the rubber bands. So I'm just gonna pour it. Just gonna pour it in here, and then of course pour my rubber bands. Okay, and I'm also gonna take my tail comb to help me with my partitions. Okay, so now that I've partitioned my hair, I'm going to take some of that gel and apply it onto my hair here, and just partition using my hands like so, just to get that little square. Okay, so there we go. So now I have a little square where I'm going to apply gel so that it's nice and exposed and neat. Then of course I'm taking my little my little rubber band. Okay, and there we go. We have our first little partition ready for crochet. So now moving on to the next one. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm done putting the rubber bands all over my head, and now I'm going to take my Darling Jozi Lite dread. So these are like dreadlocks. Can you see? Okay. So yeah, basically it's a packet of dreadlocks. I will let you know how many packets I use at the end of the video. But yeah, this is how they look. So it's just dreadlocks that we're going to crochet on. Then when we're done, we're gonna put the passion twist hair. So we're going to wrap the dreads with the passion twist hair. That's what's gonna make it look like the whole distressed butterfly thing. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have crocheted the hair on and I tied a knot at the base just to hold the hair together nicely. So now I'm going to take a strand of my passion twist hair from Darling as well, and I'm just going to rip it open because this is what I need to do to get that distressed butterfly look. So can you see, this is the side that I've sort of ripped apart, and then this is the side that is still normal. So you're gonna do this on both sides. So now I'm going to take that first crochet braid and I'm gonna have my hair. So I'm holding my hair together with this hair, and I'm now going to take the shorter side and just place it in alignment with this hair. So can you see that? The shorter part is together with my crochet hair. Then I'm just going to start wrapping the longer side at the root, like so. When you've wrapped it a little bit, you're gonna put your thumb out like so, so you can get this little hair sticking out. And then once you've got that shape, I need you to now go on top of your thumb, and wrap it twice on top of your thumb, and then let go. So now you have your little distressed lock situation, and then you're just going to continue wrapping. So you're going to wrap it around your thumb and then wrap it over your thumb, over twice, and then you let it go, and then you just keep wrapping. So as you can see, I have my distressed lock. Okay, so it is coming out looking distressed. So I'm just going to continue doing this all the way until the end. Go again. Stick it around your thumb, and then put your hair over the thumb, twice, and then you let it go, and then you keep wrapping. And you just keep wrapping as you go, keeping it tight, but not too tight, just tight enough to wrap without looking crazy. So now, as you can see, I've come to the end and my little passion twist is almost finished. So I'm just going to go in with another strand I'm going to partition it like I did the first time, like so, on both sides. Make sure it doesn't tangle. And then I'm going to connect it in the same way. So I'm taking the shorter end and adding it to my hair. And I'm just going to start wrapping again. Like, this is probably the easiest hairstyle I've ever done because all I have to do is wrap it, wrap it up. So yeah. So again, I am going to take that crocheted hair and I'm taking the shorter side of my passion twist hair and applying it on there. And then again, I'm going to take the longer side and start wrapping. Just keep going, babes. You're just gonna have to keep wrapping the hair, wrapping the hair. But the great thing about it is that as you go along, you don't have to wrap it tight because it's gonna help it keep, you know, looking distressed even when you don't intentionally do it by yourself. So yeah, you just need to wrap it tight at the beginning to secure it, and then as you go along, you can just, you know, wrap it like so. Doesn't have to be tight. So when you get to the end now with your little passion twist hair, just keep wrapping it and then tie a loop at the end because really it makes life easier for you. So yeah, when you have your loop, then you just end it off looking all nice and cute like that and you're done. Okay, I'm done. Look at how good this looks. It's looking so neat. Can you see those partitions? What? Beginner who, guys? Beginner friendly, okay? So yeah, this actually came out really, really well. Sorry, guys. So just some finishing touches before we go, sweetie. So first, I'm going to put some mousse on the hair and I'm taking the olive oil wrap set mousse. Okay, and guys, these braids are so long. They're like they're booty length, guys. So I'm taking my got to be and I'm just gonna put some on the back of my hand like so. I'm taking an old toothbrush and I'm just gonna use that. But anyway, we're gonna go in now with that baby hair that I had left in the front, and we're just gonna start swooping. Can you see that? So we're kind of like swoop, connect into another swoop. So it's just swooping and swooping and swooping like so. Okay guys, so as you guys saw, this is actually just how it came out. I look good, okay? I look good. If I do say so myself, I look really good. You know that video that goes, "You look good"? I look good. I look really good, but I'm not gonna keep hyping myself up. You can comment down below and let me know what you think, but I think that, you know, we actually have a winner with this hair. I think it looks amazing. It's definitely easy for you to do on your own. The only thing that I didn't like doing on my own was trying to wrap like in the middle at the back of my head because it was smack bang in the middle, so you know, I didn't really so yeah, starting the wrapping process like right at the root was a little hard for me, but obviously with practice it did improve. How long did it take me to do this hair? If I'm being honest, I started yesterday at around 12 p.m. And then I finished today at around 12 p.m. However, obviously I slept in between. So yeah, from 12 till about 3, I was doing my hair. And then I took an hour break when I had lunch. And then in the evening around 8, from 8 to 9, I took another break to cook and eat. And then I slept at 11. Then I woke up this morning at around 7:45. Took a shower, did what I need to do. I started doing my hair again at 8, and then I finished round about 12. So I don't know, you do the maths. I don't know, it definitely wasn't a full 24 hours because I had breaks in between. I slept, I did this, I did that. But yeah, obviously if you are more committed, you can get it done in less time. The other thing is, because my hair is so long, like guys, my hair is booty length. My hair is booty length, which I really like. I think it's perfect for spring, summer, but yeah, if you are going to maybe cut the dread in half, or use dreads that are shorter, then it's obviously going to take you less time. It took me more time because I had all that wrapping to do all the way to my booty. So yeah, you can find the hair that I used on Style Diva. I'll leave a link down below. If there is a Style Diva shop in your city, you can also find it there, but alternatively you can also find it at your local hair shop. But anyway guys, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Thank you for always supporting me. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.